Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session we are going to discuss about zero value authorization in payment processing. Zero value authorization is known by different names like $0 authorization, €0 authorization, zero amount authorization. So these are the different names of zero value authorization. So let's start our session. In zero value authorization, no amount is deducted from the cardholder's account. Zero value transactions are typically used to verify below card details. Number 1, card validity. During zero value authorization, issuing bank check if card not expired, not stolen or not lost. The second is address verification. Whatever address customer enters on the checkout page during payment, that address is validated with bank record. Third is cardholder identity. Cardholder identity is verified through card verification value validation or 3DS. Card verification value is printed on the back of the card. So whatever value customer enters on the checkout page during payment, that value is validated with the bank record. 3D Secure can also be used for the cardholder identity verification. In 3D Secure, normally the OTP is sent to the customer. Just to highlight, we cannot capture the zero amount authorization. Now let's see the use cases of zero value authorization. Business can perform the zero value authorization when customer adds the card in the account wallet. For future transactions like subscription billing or recurring billing, business can also do the zero value authorization to check if card is active or not. If card is active, business saves the card details for the future billing. Many merchants use the zero value authorization when customer places an order. In third case, normally merchant do the full authorization when item is ready to ship. Just to highlight, during zero value authorization, the tokenization can also happen, and that token is stored by the merchant for the future transaction. So these are the widely used use cases of zero value authorization. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.